Okay, so you want to execute a postnuptial agreement. Well, what's a postnuptial agreement? Well, a postnuptial agreement is an agreement between spouses that occurs after the parties marry that change the characterization of property or changes the rights and obligations as to the issue of spousal support, potentially. So you can't affect custody or visitation. You can't affect child support in any way by way of an agreement. The court will always have power to make orders in that regard. So in terms of a postnup, do I think they're a good idea? No, I don't think they're a good idea. There is a presumption in California that if there is a change in characterization, there is a presumption of undue influence. It's in relation to transmutations of property from separate to community or community to separate, which means the court more than likely is going to set aside the transaction unless there is some sort of consideration given for the transaction. So executing a postnup is very risky because you have this confidential relationship with your spouse. You also have a fiduciary duty to your spouse to exchange all information, disclose everything, and it's very difficult, in my opinion, to uphold postnups because of the presumption of undue influence and all of these other requirements that are associated with a postnup. Not saying it's impossible, but it's just difficult, okay? So just bear that in mind when you want to change the characterization of property during the marriage. It is kind of a risky proposition, probably will not be upheld, but you never know. So if you have any questions, love to reach out and chat with you. Links in the bio. Stay safe out there.